There are 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489 million, 856,000 possible configurations of the Rubik's Cube. I mean, I barely managed fitting them all in this piece of paper.
About 3 years ago, I had picked up one of these with the intention to solve it, but let's just say that never happened. Now, 3 years later, quarantine's upon us and there's nothing much to do at home, so I figured let's give this another shot. I'll be attempting to solve this Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. Let's see how it goes.
Bottom two layers done. I've been taking notes. Yes, my handwriting isn't neat, but I don't care. But this itself took me an hour or so to do, so I've got to work on time, but we're getting there, and it's really interesting once you've learned all this. It's finally done. I've got to memorize all of this now to get this under 2 or 3 minutes. This itself took me about 1.5 hours to do. So the challenge is to get this under 2 or 3 minutes. Got to memorize all of this. So I've solved it this time, just referring to my notes. I've not memorized it yet. I just wanted to give it a shot, and this time I've done it in 31 minutes. I started at 5:30 and it's 6:01 at the moment, so yeah, 31 minutes, and we're making progress. We're making good progress.
Oh! 3:11. Oh, no. Oh. Yes! Finally. That's 2:32. We've done it. We've done it. Finally did it. Oh. Let's go. There you go. So this took me about 2.5 days to learn. I use the complete beginners method. I watched this tutorial by Richardson. I'll leave a link of that video in the description below. So speed cubers usually use the CFOB method to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 5 seconds or 10 seconds. But I solved the Rubik's Cube with the complete beginners method because that's what I learned first and I didn't want to overcomplicate things. I did have a look at the CFOB method and then I was all over the place, so I just stuck to what I had learned in the beginning and I got the result I wanted. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.